In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste values without formula in Excel. This is perfect when you want to keep the final numbers or text you see in your sheet, but remove the formulas behind them so they don't keep recalculating or pulling from other cells. Think of it as taking a snapshot of the results and pasting just that snapshot somewhere else. Start by selecting the cells that contain the results you want to keep. Click and drag to highlight a single cell, a range, or even an entire column, whatever fits your data. Once your selection looks right, copy it. You can do this by right-clicking the selection and choosing Copy, or using your preferred copy method. You'll notice a moving dashed border around the selection, which confirms Excel has it ready on the clipboard. Now decide where you want those values to go. Click the destination cell, typically the top left corner of where you want the pasted results to start. If you're pasting a range, make sure the area you're pasting into is large enough and shaped the same as your copied range. That prevents any overlap warnings or clipped data. Right-click the destination cell to open the context menu. This is where you'll find the special paste controls that tell Excel to drop the formulas and keep only the results. Choose Paste Special from the menu. Depending on your version of Excel, you might see a small panel of paste icons right away. If so, look for the Paste Special option to open more choices. This brings up the controls that let you be specific about what exactly gets pasted. In the Paste Special options, go to Values. In many interfaces, this appears as an icon with 123 on it, or a clearly labeled Values option. This choice tells Excel to paste just the displayed results and ignore everything else behind the scenes. Click Values to complete the paste. Your destination cells now contain the plain values only. No formulas, no links to other cells. If you click into one of the pasted cells, you'll see the number or text itself in the formula bar, not an equals sign or a reference. A quick note on formatting. Pasting values keeps the results, not the look. If you need the same number formats, colors, or borders, you can apply formatting afterward. Also, if you change the original source cells later, the pasted values won't update. That's the point of values only, and that's it. You've copied your results, right-clicked the destination cell, opened Paste Special, gone to Paste Values, and clicked Values to finish.